Okay, so welcome back everybody. Let's talk about Degenz, Monstro'S Degenz. What is coming in 52 minutes when I'm doing this video probably will be around 30 minutes when you watch this video, or maybe 20 minutes. I'll try to be fast so I can shoot up the video, I can post so you can watch. Now, check this out. This is very interesting. This is classic ROI dub, but what the difference is, they have zero loss guarantee. I'm sorry, what? Zero loss? Who the heck can do that? So I'm going to show you how is that working and all that stuff. Okay, so before we go there, make sure you understand, nothing here is financial advice. Do not put more money you can afford to lose, because you can lose everything. This is crypto, is highly risky. Okay, let's go back for the Degenz stuff. So Monstro'S, okay, so these guys have been around for a long time, months and months and months. I'm not sure if it's over a year or something like that. They have already a couple of projects. They have NFT, you invest in the NFT, they produce APR, and they send to you every week the payments. Now the APR is not great, it's not too juicy, like 20% a day, 20% a week, but it's like 10-15% a month. And it's been like that constantly, so that's the good stuff. And then they come with this. By the way, I never have invested in their project. Okay, I always some kind of like left them after. I will say I'll invest later, and I never invested. So they coming with the Degenz project right here, classic ROI. That's what a lot of my members will like them. Now, again, please remember, nothing here is financial advice. Nothing is financial advice. Do your research. Only risk capital. This is crypto, and you can lose everything. Okay, so let's go back. So who they are. So this is the team. The team are 3 people. So you can see Tilting Shock, OX, Uranus, sorry my pronunciation, and we have Gabo. Okay, that's the marketing. So you can see who they are, the team, but this is the cool stuff. Okay, this is the phase 1 of the project. Okay, and how you can get no loss guarantee. That's what they're saying, not me. Okay, so let's go. Oh, I want to show you something cool from what they have. If you go to their main website, all right, if you go, they have a wallet transaction. Okay, so if you put any wallet address and if you put search, okay, and then you will see in the wallet address what chain you've been using, and you can go here, the link for your transaction, you can go and check them out. It's very helpful tool. Okay, so instead of you going Polygon scan or Avalanche scan, wherever, Base, Phantom, wherever, you go here, you press your address, and you just check them out, what's going on. It's pretty cool, very good tool. Okay, so how much you can earn? Basically, you earning 2% a day, but you have a lot of boosters. So you have NFTs, you can have up to max plus 2% a day. So that's pretty a lot, correct? But it's ROI up. That's how it's working. So if you have like farms, castle, vault, partner, Monstro, kingdom. Okay, so everything here you get more money. Okay, so BNB rewards are received directly in your wallet. This is for sharing is caring. So basically, if you have ROI, if you have some referrals, split rewards with your team as you see fit. As your referral payout BNB rewards instantly whenever a deposit or reinvestment is made, total referred value. Okay, so here is if you want to share your link. Now, how much you can earn? So this is very interesting. So you're starting with 2% here. If you can reinvest, okay, and if you invest, you're getting some extra bonus. Okay, so this is the basic payouts. Okay, so right here you will see personal boost maximum up to 2% plus 0.01% for every 5 BNB deposit or reinvested. Okay, ecosystem boosts max up to 2%. It pays to be a holder. So if you hold, also you're getting extra. So you have farms, NFT, everything what I just mentioned. So this is for the cashback referral rewards, 5 till 20%. That's pretty crazy. Okay, so intense referrals by splitting rewards, okay, automatically with your downline. So that's pretty cool. So this is the claim or reinvest. Okay, I was thinking you're getting some extra bonus, but this is how it's working. Okay, so if you want to reinvest, they say yes, go ahead, you can claim as often as you want, and you can reinvest. And the best part is no claim tax when you reinvesting. Usually they have 5% tax, okay, when you claim, but if you reinvest, no claim tax. Okay, and you can reinvest amount which can increase the max return from 150 up to 300%. So right here for the deposit, you will see that the minimum return is 150, okay, percent, or max return is 300%. You can deposit any amount you want, no minimum, no limits, okay. And this is the breakdown: 50% going for the contracts, 30% for the farm's working capital, and 20% for referrals and marketing for the is going. Okay, so basically that's what they're saying. Welcome. This was supposed to be the first slide. So they're saying between 2 till 6% a day, referral rewards, and active and passive phases. So let's go to the most important part. How this is with no loss guarantee. Okay, so this is interesting. Check this out. So when the demand subsides, okay, of new funds flow into the Degenz contract to sustain the daily payouts, the protocol will halt new deposit and reinvestments. Okay, so when they see, okay, we cannot sustain this one anymore, the protocol will halt new deposit and reinvestments. Instead, it will transition all users who haven't reached their full profits cap into phase 2. So what is the phase 2? So this is the phase 2 where everything is explained here. So what they're saying is, they say every investor will have the opportunity to claim a specific edition of farm NFT representing the remain owned value in USDC and their fair total units, okay? Calculate from all deposit and reinvestment into the farm's working capital. Now, what they're saying, they will begin receiving weekly airdrops USDC payouts of yields just like other farms, okay, like every other project what they have before. So they will give you NFT and they'll start paying you off till you ROI. Once you ROI, okay, once you get your 100% back, wherever you need to get back, when it's calculating, then your NFT will be destroyed. Your NFT will be burned and no more payouts will be coming to you. Simple as that. So that's how they find the solution. Now the question is how long. So let's say you go the day 100. Okay, I don't know how long this is going to last. Nobody knows. So if you go to the last day and you put some deposit and then you didn't ROI and you say, oh my god, I lost again. Well, this guy say, okay, don't worry, we're going to give you the money back. However, it's going to take some time. It can take a couple of weeks, couple of months, few months. I don't know how long, okay? But usually overall with their NFT, wherever they're producing, they are making around 10-15% a month. Correct me if I'm wrong. It depends, of course, the weeks, the months, how much they earning. Okay, so that's about it. The link will be in the description. I want to finish this video now because it's getting, you don't have enough time if you want to ape in first. All right, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a comment, like, subscribe, and let me know, are you going to get in or you will just stay away. Thank you so much.